Hi guys, so I'm going to show you what needs to be done for um, Tuesday, August 25th. So you're going to go all the way down to enter here. I did update the science assignment, so this is what is due on each day. You're going to go into enter here. I'm not going to show you in student view today because I have the assignments. They won't be up till 9 a.m. tomorrow. So I am going to just show you in the teacher view what it looks like, but it's going to look pretty similar. So you're going to go into unit 1. In lesson 1, our goal statement is I can show what I know about climate change and explain why we should take care of it. I'm going to click on the lesson. So this is kind of like a note catcher about what we're doing. So we're working on unit 1, lesson 1. So we're finally out of unit 0. So after this lesson, I can show what I know about climate change and explain why we should take care of it. So first, we're going to watch a video and do a Padlet. And after we do that, you are going to do 2 ed puzzles, a Bill Nye ed puzzle and a cause and effects change ed puzzle. They're only a few minutes. They're not super long. And then you are going to read and annotate a climate change article, and then finally a Canvas discussion. I know that sounds like a lot, but I promise the ed puzzles and the article aren't too long. I'm going to move myself for just a second. So you guys, it's different than last week. You guys are going to continue to hit the next button so that way you can get to the next page. So first you're going to use the Padlet link. When you click on the Padlet link, it's going to say, in reference to climate, what comes to mind when you see these pictures? These pictures are in the PowerPoint, so we're going to be doing those together as a class. If you did miss class, these will be in the PowerPoint that is on the next page. Then we're going to watch this video. You just click on the video. It's about 6 minutes. Then you are going to do an I see, I wonder. Let me figure out where that is. So it's going to be the I see, I wonder chart. It's going to be already in there. It's going to have you force make a copy. And then you're just going to fill that out and put it back in Canvas and hit submit. Then this is where the teacher PowerPoint is in case you do miss class or you miss something in general. You can go to this teacher PowerPoint. It'll be the PowerPoint I'm using. In between there, we're going to have a little bit of class discussion, but after that, this is where you guys are going to work on your own. This is Climate Change with Bill Nye. It is an ed puzzle. So these little dots down here, these are where the video stops and asks you questions. This one's only 4 minutes, so it's not super long. It automatically submits. Then this cause and effects climate change video is only 3 minutes. And the same thing, it's an ed puzzle, so these little raindrops are going to be questions that you're going to be asked. Then you're going to read and annotate an article. This article right here. It's not super long. It's only about 6 paragraphs. So you're just going to read and annotate it. It'll automatically, then you're just going to go back to Canvas and hit submit. And then I promise there's only one last thing to do. You are going to answer this question. So this looks all crazy and large, but really you're only answering the question, how do you feel about climate? How do you feel you make climate change worse? And what do you feel you could do to help slow climate change? You will not be able to read anybody's responses until you reply, okay? You will not be able to read anybody else's responses. Then you are going to reply to one other student. If there's nobody that has responded yet, don't worry about it. But then you're just going to reply to one other student's post. And that is it. It'll take you to next. This will not be open. So Unit 1, Lesson 2, this will not be published, so you do not have to worry about it. And then that is all the further you need to go for Monday.